How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a $100 Lyft promo code. You will be able to use different websites like Groupon or CouponFollow in order to find active promo codes. These sites frequently list discounts and offers that can be combined for substantial savings. For that, you will need to open any web browser on a device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, you can type in the URL of the website, Groupon or CouponFollow or even CouponChief. Here I am going with CouponFollow. In the search bar, you will need to click on it and type in couponfollow.com. Once you have entered the URL, press on enter button to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of CouponFollow. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to see the search bar. Click on the search bar and there type in Lyft. You may also type in lyft.com. Once after entering it, you'll be able to see the search results below. Simply click on the authentic Lyft website and then you will be presented with the various coupon codes or the promo codes available in this platform. Here you may not be able to find direct $100 promo code, but you will be able to combine smaller offers and help you reach significant savings. Scroll down to find the one, and once you find it, you will need to click at the right side that says show coupon code, and then you will be presented with a screen. On this pop-up, you'll be able to see the coupon code or the promo code. Now simply click on this copy button at the right side and then the code will be copied. Now you can directly go to the Lyft website and there in the checkout section, you can redeem this code. Or you may also click on this redeem at Lyft option right here and then directly go to that website in order to redeem and apply the code. Also after doing that, you may scroll down to find other smaller offers in order to combine and reach the significant savings. So by following these steps, you should be able to get $100 Lyft promo code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.